We all want to increase our sales on Redbubble because at the end of the day, Redbubble is one of the most popular print-on-demand companies on the internet. And I know I personally don't like Redbubble anymore, and that's for a few different reasons, and that video is coming out. I still like to make sure that I do as much research, speak to as many people, so that I could give you the most up-to-date, relevant information on how you can increase your sales on Redbubble, because I know that so many people still want to see Redbubble content and learn about how to get more sales on Redbubble. So in this video, I thought I would share with you 3 Redbubble specific tools that are totally free that could 100% help you create better designs, create designs for trending niches, and to increase the chances of you getting more sales. I say chances because no one can guarantee an increase in sales, but we can hopefully increase the chances of you getting sales. If you are new here, my name is Shimmy Morris. I make videos all about print on demand, affiliate marketing, finance, money management, business, all that kind of stuff. And if you want to check out any of my other videos, please go and do so. If you like what you see, please consider hitting that subscribe button and helping me get to 100,000 subscribers and get that play button, because flipping heck, it's been like 5 or 6 years at this point, and I'm just so ready for that play button. And yeah, let's get straight into this video. The first tool is the Merch Titans Tag Generator tool, and this can be used in a few different ways. The most obvious way would be for you to use it to generate tags for your Redbubble products, and I'm going to show you this in a couple of seconds. But you can also use it for more creative reasons, like coming up with new ideas that could do really well based on previous successful ideas. And I'm going to explain this theory in a second, but it's really cool. If you have a popular shirt in the karate niche and you put karate in the tag generator, it'll spit out tags that relate to karate. A lot of those could lead to similar and also popular design ideas. Anything to really get the brain flowing and in a creative mood is what you want. I personally find these kind of triggers really useful, and they help me come up with so many cool ideas just by, you know, something happening and then me being like, oh wow, that's cool, and then leading on to something else and leading on to something else. That can all start just by using the tag generator. You could also use the tags in the tag generator to help you write your title and description. And we all know title, keywords, and bullets are so unbelievably important. So anything that makes that process slightly easier is a win-win. I mean, if we're able to use this tool and come up with a whole host of different tag ideas, title ideas, descriptions, all these different things, that is amazing. Seeing related keywords could definitely make your life easier when it comes to writing that dreaded description that we all hate, because at the end of the day, we are designers. We like creating t-shirt designs. We are not writers who write amazing copy for their descriptions that really convince the person to buy it. But hopefully looking at all these different tags and getting ideas of how you could use them, right, and how you could potentially rank for them on the platform that you're selling on, Redbubble, or even other platforms, it could come in handy. And it also happens to be an incredibly easy tool to use. The second tool is the Redbubble Popular Tag tool. I have spoken about this a long time ago, but this tool is really powerful, and I feel like not enough people use it. It has 2 major benefits. Number 1, seeing how popular a tag is or was, and number 2, seeing how much competition you would be dealing with and seeing how that has changed over time. That's its core strength. Now let's see how we can use that information. Well, with print on demand, you want your healthy mix of evergreen designs and trending designs. Now, the reason why I personally do like the idea of trending designs, even though a lot of people say to avoid them or not to bother with them, I like them because of the quick turnaround time with print on demand. So personally, I've been in a few different businesses, some that have a really quick turnaround time and some that have a longer turnaround time. And let me explain what I mean. So when I was in the Amazon FBA business, if I found a product that was good or trending or whatever, the turnaround time would be 3 to 4 weeks, because I would have to find the product, I would have to then go and source the product on Alibaba, I'd then have to order samples, I'd then have to order the actual product, and that whole process can take a long time. The turnaround time with print on demand could literally be a few hours, or even less, it could be half an hour, depending on how fast you are at churning out designs. Why is this? Well, basically with print on demand, you're creating a design and you're uploading it to, let's just say, Redbubble, and then it's for sale, right? Once you've created the design and uploaded it, it's for sale. That can take a few hours, right? And that's because Redbubble will handle the shipping, they'll handle the customer service, they'll handle the printing of the design and all of that kind of stuff, right? Whereas in most businesses, turnaround times are not a couple of hours. They're a couple of weeks and sometimes even a couple of months. And it's for that reason that I think focusing on trending designs as well as evergreen designs is also a great tactic, because you're capitalizing on the fact that you're able to have a turnaround time of a few hours. You're able to come up with a design and upload it and sell it all within the space of an hour. Like, it's really, really crazy. And this was not a thing like 10 years ago. And it's just amazing how it's just become so flipping popular now. For example, when I was doing research on Amazon a while ago, a long time ago, and fidget spinners came about, it was like, oh, I should get into fidget spinners. But by the time anything would have happened, right, that craze would have died down significantly. And yes, I know that fidget spinners, people are still making money with them, but that initial boost, that initial huge craze, that's died down, right? And you don't really get that with print on demand, because like I said, with print on demand, you can come up with an idea that's trending and it can be selling literally the next hour. So let's take a look at the tool and see what we are working with here. This is what it looks like. You have popularity, so change, results, and then the results change over time. So you can see all of these, right? American flag t-shirt, hydro stickers, anime stickers, music, posters, outer banks. This is a great way to get an idea. And by the way, this updates, I think, every Monday. Yeah, updated every Monday. So if we click on this, right, it'll take us to a new tab and we'll be able to see all of these, right? There's 170,000 results and this is trending, right? We'll also be able to see, outer banks, right? This is also trending, right? With 24,599 results. So there's so much here that we can see. And as well as that, we can sort this by anything. So popularity change, we can see it by results. And it's cool because with popularity, you can see what is the most popular. You can see if it's changed over time. And with results, you can see, if it's too competitive. So for example, something like this, right? There's 4,261 results. Adulting would not recommend. Okay, this is a huge change. This is really good. This is now popularity of 7, right? There's a lot less designs. There's 1,794 less results. That is really cool, and this is something that we could easily compete with because there's barely anyone there compared to something like this, where it's music stickers and there's 822,000 results. That is going to be very hard. We are going to be a very, very small fish in a massive sea. We'd rather be a big fish in a small sea, and I think that's what's going to be able to happen here, right? So if we click adulting would not recommend, look at this, easy stickers, easy designs. You could easily make something in this area, and there's only at the moment 5,142 results. So this is clearly, a couple of days old. Yeah, this is 6th of September, right? This was last updated, so it's a few days old. But the point is, it's really cool, and this information could be used. And I do actually want to make more videos just on this because this tool is so flipping powerful. And the third and final tool, this might come as a surprise to you. It's possibly the best tool. It's also free. And it's actually really, really powerful. And that tool is the actual Redbubble website. I know, crazy, mind blown, light bulbs going off. What are you talking about, Shimmy? No, seriously, the Redbubble website has so much information that you could use to actually create designs, find out what's trending, find out what's a bestseller, find out different tags, find out so much stuff. And let's have a look at it. Redbubble shares so much information, it's actually crazy. They share the tags that sellers use. They share the best-selling designs, the top trending designs, the newest designs, all of this on their very own website. It's kind of cool, and quite honestly, so many people don't utilize it. There's a few ways to know what's trending. 1, you could do the classic method of going to the product in question and sort by trending. This is easy. Method number 2 is cool. Here, you can use the search bar to find the top 3 trending keywords at any given point, right? So you can just go to the search bar and you'll see the top 3 trending keywords at that point in time. But as well as that, you can also prompt other potential trending keywords by putting in random letters onto the keyboard. So putting in an S will bring up 3 totally different trending keywords. Putting in an R will bring in 3 totally different trending keywords. Putting in an SA will bring in 3 totally different trending keywords. And it's crazy to see how many keywords are actually trending. And a month ago, I think, maybe a bit longer than a month ago, I actually made a video of like every single trending keyword on Redbubble. Obviously, it wasn't every single one because there are so many, but I literally showed you me going through the alphabet and having a look at all the different trending keywords, and it's absolutely mental how many are actually out there. And that's just the first method. You can also see what's the best seller. And this is what I find amazing, because you can use these best selling t-shirts to find out how they're doing their titles, their descriptions, their prices, and most importantly, what tags are they using. You can scroll down and see their tags. This is incredibly valuable information because these people have proven that they are selling their design, right? So it's amazing that we can see all of this information and it's not private, and we can learn from it and we can potentially adapt it and get our own bestsellers. Of course, these 3 tools aren't going to guarantee you sales, as I said at the beginning. However, having these tools and the fact that they're free, the fact that they're really easy to use, and the fact that they're just there, ready, available for us, right? It should make our lives a lot easier in terms of designing and potentially getting more sales, right? Potentially getting more sales. And that is really, at the end of the day, all that we can kind of wish for is just trying to increase the chances of getting more sales when we can. Ideally, this should just make your life a lot easier in the whole print on demand game, and that's what I like to do. I like to try and make your life as easy as possible, so that you're not struggling, you're not trying something that's just constantly not working. Using these 2 tools will make your life easier. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you have liked this video, please smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any specific Redbubble or any other tools that you really like, that you want me to create a review on, or you want me to look into, or you want me to compare with another tool, let me know in the comments down below. I will happily pay for tools, fully learn how to use them, test them out, just so that you don't have to. Just let me know in the comments down below. And finally, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.